reaction? Any reaction after watching the movie?
Wait lang.
Grabe. Iyak ako. Sobra. Dahil ngayon ko lang siya napanood ng buo. Reading the script, naiyak na ako. Pero ngayon, having seen how much heart everyone gave, sobrang nakaka-tender yung pelikula. And nakaka-proud that I'm part of it. And thank you guys for being here.
Kamusta naman working with Josh Lia?
Sobrang love. Alam mo, I was just telling them na everybody felt comfortable in the set because they were so kind and welcoming to everyone. So parang sila yung nag-set ng behavior and atmosphere. Kaya sobrang gaan, sobrang walang kaba because we really felt we're friends. Tapos yun, nag-bond din kami ng ilang araw kaya we really got to know each and every one. Kaya sobrang love ko yung mga tao sa production na.
Kamusta naman yung experience mo na yun sa movie na Unhappy For You, yung shooting nyo sa Kasiyang Bicol, yes.
Ayun, I'm really so proud of this film. I hope more people could see and support us para we can make more films like this. Yun. So please come to the theater nearest you and support Unhappy For You starting tomorrow.
Grabe yung performance mo kanina, no? Parang lahat natawa kami and all that. Simpleng line lang pero grabe din.
Salamat. Yun. And it was easy to give because you're also getting a lot from the people around you.
So masasabi mo professional talaga yung dalawa, wala silang parang
Sobra. And I think it's even beyond professionalism eh. They're really cool people.
yes.
Sobrang cool nila. Imagine being like that, working together again after everything that's happened to them. So they're really cool people. They're one of the coolest people I know. So
May masashare ka ba sa kanila nung nagda-taping or nagsushooting kayo na parang sweet nila, ganito, ganyan?
it's not really sweetness, not romantic kind of sweetness. You just know that they really care for each other. Alam mo, they're beyond whatever happened to them in the past. And they're just really there for each other, supporting one another. Kaya ang sarap ma-witness yun. And parang ang ako natututo ka rin how to forgive and move on.
Yeah.
And just
Ang sakit
be
din,
happy for your ex-partner because yun, nagkaroon din kayo ng samahan eh. Minahal niyo rin ang isa't isa kahit pa paano. So it's a good lesson for me seeing that in person.
Miss Man, and my question lang, naka-working Josh Lia, diba? And you have your script. May question lang po, may mga eksena po ba dun sa movie na parang sila na yung naglinya? Or yung Josh Lia? Yung parang impromptu na yung linya? Kasi may mga time na parang
Alam mo,
na yung lines.
I'm sure meron. Pero hindi ko rin masyadong kabisado. And I'm not in all of their scenes.
Yes, oo nga.
Pero dun sa mga eksena kasama ko sila, mga minor improvs para to make the scene more alive and natural. Mga minor improvs. Pero majorly parang wala. Sa pagkakaalam ko.
May pressure po ba na for box office na mag-hit ito?
I'm sure meron because ginastusan din. And this is the first tandem after nila Julia
After a
and
long
Joshua after a long time. So I'm sure mataas ang pressure. Pero yun, sana, because it's really a beautiful, don't you think so?
Yes, yun na nga eh.
Grabe, yung magangamat ako. Parang umaudience ako kanina. Yes, sige naman kwento, kumakaiyak.
Kasi this year, talagang after MMFF, wala pa talagang tumabo sa Takilya. Sadly,
Sana,
no? Pero
sana
ito, kita ko rin na talagang napakaganda ng
You think
movie.
so?
Napaka-planchado ng bawat eksena. I think, sana, no? Cross our finger na ito eh.
And with your help, guys.
Yes.
We'll make a movie review.
We'll do a reviews and over 210 yung cinemas, di ba?
Oh, yeah.
Ito, one last question. Bakit nila kailangan panoorin ang Unhappy For You?
Because I think it would really teach you a lesson about life, about forgiveness, not just forgiveness for another person, but forgiveness para sa sarili mo. Kasi I think that's one of the hardest things to do. To forgive yourself and accept that you have made mistakes, di ba? And then move on from that. Yun. So, yun. I really feel good about this one. I'm so proud to be part of it. And sabi ko nga, hindi ako mahiyang i-promote siya because it's so heartwarming.
Tama. Ayan.
Sorry, Miss Mel, ang daming question. Pero how does it feel po na parang you're everywhere? Recently lang, you're a movie and this one again. How was it?
I'm grateful. I'm just really grateful that I get to do what I love doing. As in, 8 years old pa lang kasi ako. Sabi ko, I want to be an actor someday. So, whether that's theater, film, or television, I'm just so happy to be acting. And this is such a privilege to be doing what I love, I know. And sana magpatuloy.
And what's your upcoming projects po?
Well, now that you asked, I'm not an actor here. I'm the executive producer for Tabing Ilog the Musical. So it's a partnership between Teatro Kapamilya, which is part also of ABS-CBN. So we hope you could support it. It's going to run from November 8 to December 1 at the PETA Theater Center. So hope you guys could also support that. This is actually a rerun. We ran last year, pero because we really believe in the material, ang daming magagandang music, and maraming artists doon from Star Magic and Star Hunt. And even if first-timers sila sa theater, sobra nilang galing. So I hope you guys could also support that.
And final na lang po, any kapamilya or kapuso actor pa na gusto mong maka-work sa dami mo na pong nakasama in
Ang
theater.
dami.
Top of mind.
Ang dami. Ang dami.
Ang dami na po kasi.
Pero before sila Joshua and Julia talaga, because kami ni Peter Sen were friends and napanood namin yung iba nilang films. And sobra talaga kaming bilib sa kanila. So, dati, wini-wish ko makatrabaho silang dalawa. And yun, ito na sa wakas. And you get to see them being such wonderful people. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. I'm grateful that I got this opportunity.
Thank you very much po and congrats!
Sa movie, maraming salamat. Nagpapasalamat lang ako sa Star Cinema, sa ABS-CBN bosses, sa mga taga-suporta na nandito, at sa mga loved ones ko na nanood. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much.
Bianca De Vera!
Ayun, thank you everyone for your time. I know it's a little traffic today, but yes, you still made time for us, and we're so excited to watch the film as much as you are also. So, ayun, I hope you guys enjoy the night.
Kyla Estrada!
Yeah, good evening everybody. Thank you so much for coming and making time for us. We're so excited for you guys to watch the movie. And yeah, I hope you guys still support Unhappy For You when it comes out in cinemas. Sabihin niyo sa mga kaibigan niyo, sa pamilya niyo na panoorin yung pelikula nito kasi napakaganda ng pelikula na ginawa namin. So thank you guys so much and I hope you guys enjoy.
Ketchup Eusebio, hello, thank you so much.
Magandang gabi po at maraming salamat sa pagdalo at sabay-sabay po natin i-enjoy itong pelikula. Tomorrow po ay nationwide na papanood na po itong aming pelikula. So maraming salamat po.
Bob Gonzalez!
Yes, hello po, good evening. Gusto ko po mag-hello sa mga ABS-CBN bosses, Star Cinema, sa Viva ng mga bosses dyan. And I would like to thank sa aking Rice family and sa Sparks Camp family. Thank you for coming. Sabay-sabay po tayong tumawa, umiyak, mag-relapse sa movie na to. And showing na nga po ito bukas. Unhappy For You in cinemas nationwide. Thank you po.
Victor Silayan!
Hello, good evening po sa inyo lahat. I'd like to say thank you for making time for us. Alam nga namin na sobrang traffic kanina, pero salamat pa rin sa pagpunta. We hope you enjoy the show. We are so excited and we hope you spread the word, your friends and families, sa lahat ng mga tao. Napaka-exciting po. Thank you so much.
Mama Sweet, John Lapus!
Hi, good evening everyone! Showing na po tomorrow, nationwide po ang Unhappy For You. Of course, starring Joshua and Julia, directed by a good friend at napaka-husay na director, Direct Peter Sen Vargas. So please tell your friends about it. Maganda itong panoorin kasama ang mga jowa, pati na rin yung ex-imbitahan po ninyo. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Direct Peterson Vargas!
Ayan. Shoutout lang syempre sa aming pinakamamahal na team na nandito na tumulong para gawin ang napakaganda naming kilig, ang maganda po naming kwento at pelikula. Shoutout rin po sa mga bosses, sa mga naniwala sa akin at hindi sumukot, to ABS-CBN Studios, Star Cinema, and Rise. And of course, shoutout din sa aking pamilya na nandito, Tita Lelet, hello! And to all my friends. Mapalabas na po bukas ang Unhappy For You. Tribute po namin to all the loves that mattered.
Yes! Ito na nga, Julia Barreto!
Hi, good evening. Sobra ako nagpapasalamat sa family, sa friends namin, sa colleagues namin that really went out of their way tonight to show their support. It really means everything to us. Sa management namin, Star Cinema, Viva Films, our bosses, our heads, thank you so much for making this possible. And I hope you guys enjoy. Sana magustuhan niyo yung pelikula, and if you do, please tell your friends also about it. Thank you.
Yes, and of course, Joshua Garcia!
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa lahat, sa mga fans, sa family namin na nandito, sa friends namin na nandito, sa mga bosses, thank you. To Star Cinema, maraming salamat din sa pagtitiwala sa amin ni Julia. And sa Viva Films, of course, and sa buong team ng Unhappy For You. Ito na yun, finally, yung pinaghirapan natin. And yun, sana mag-enjoy po kayo ngayong gabi. Thank you po.
Yes, maraming salamat. Ito na nga, one group photo tayo dito. At syempre, next po nito ay pipicture naman po natin kasama po kayo lahat. So, pwede na po tayong bumalik sa ating mga upuan para po isang